Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can exit the safe mode on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So what we need to do is simply restart our device. So we can press and hold the power button in order to open this window with the power off or restart buttons. Or if this doesn't work for you, you might need to press and hold the power button and the volume up button, both together at the same time. Now in my case, it works with the power button only. In addition to that, you can also go to the notifications in order to open the quick access tools, and then over here in the bottom right corner you also have the power button, so you can do the same thing. And now we need to simply restart our device. So this time, once the smartphone will turn on, once the smartphone turns on, then we should be able to exit the safe mode and we should have the normal mode back again. And there we go. As you can see, this time there is no safe mode. So this is how we can exit the safe mode on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!